think they blew. Hold on, let me check.
That might be the end of a tire.
I can't see it.
Yo, it's Finnegan. I'm recording this way after this video was actually filmed because, well, I forgot I had the footage, to be honest with you. Way back in January, a couple days after my birthday, Cletus McFarland calls me and says, that thing we've been talking about that nobody can know about, it's happening. You need to get on a plane and come here today. And so January 29th, 2020, I flew to Tampa, hopped in a truck, and drove to what ultimately became the Freedom Factory, his new playground, and mind blown. So much so that I got home, forgot I had the footage from that day, and started playing with this. This is our 1969 Chevy C50 Ram truck that we put a huffer on, and ultimately we want to do huge burnouts with this thing at the Freedom Factory. So someday we're going to go back there after this whole lockdown thing is over. But in the meantime, enjoy found footage from, I don't know, 5 months ago of us having fun with Vaughn Gittin Jr. and a whole lot of other dudes at the Freedom Factory. You'll notice I'm calling it Eagle's Nest because the day I was there, that's what everybody else was calling it, the Eagle's Nest. But 2 days later, Cletus went live with a video and started calling it Freedom Factory. So yeah, this place is amazing. Enjoy. Going to see my buddy Cletus. Today is a special day. And not just because Atlanta Hartsfield-Jackson Airport has a jungle in its train tunnel. Oh no, oh no. It's special for other reasons. You'll see. You'll see. See you guys in Florida. There we go. Next stop. We'll see Cletus at a super secret location. This is exciting. Project Eagle. I see tire smoke from here. We're late. We're totally late. Look at that. See it straight ahead? It's already happening with us. It's already happening with us. That's how clouds are made. Right there. That's how clouds are made. Oh my god, that's a narrow. How are you gonna make it? You got this. What am I saying? Cletus bought himself. Is it a circle track and a road course, or just a circle track? Circle track. He bought himself a playground right out here in Florida, and we're gonna break it in proper right here, right now. Oh my god! It's like winning the gearhead lottery. I mean, like a drag strip is one thing. Drag strips are great, but having this is next level. Oh, wait, this is all the levels. This is it. There's nothing better than this right here. Yeah, look, there's still tire smoke wafting through the air. That's gotta be him. So is this the paddock right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh man, this is awesome.
Every McFarland racing vehicle there is out here.
Nice. I like abandoned drag strips, but abandoned road courses are just seem like even cooler. Okay, this guy here. I've already seen tire smoke. I'm getting this full tour right now in the Maverick. It's gonna be amazing. How do you open the doors on one of these things? Front? Oh, suicide doors.
Suicide doors, bro.
Dang. This is awesome. Grass wheelies. Here we go. This is crazy. Look, there's the mystery machine. This is gonna be awesome. Wow. This is so cool. Oh! This is incredible. I don't even know what I'm doing. Driving a diesel Galaxy.
That's the warning. He's gonna be doing some stuff in front of you guys.
Okay, cool. That's Vaughn getting. He's going to be doing stunts. And Cletus is going up in the chopper. And I'm driving the diesel Galaxy. Cooper's in the mystery machine. I don't know what else is happening, but there's like a monster truck back there. Leroy, the Dale truck. Bananas. Bananas day. I can't see nothing. There's a cop car drifting in front of a mystery machine. Yeah, we're down to the cords. Oh my god, it's amazing! I'm down to the cords. I can't do any more burnouts in the Galaxy. I'm down to the cords. Oh, maybe we can do one more burnout. Let's see. Uh-oh. I got a flappy tire on one side. My tire's all flappy. I don't want to ruin the quarter panel. What a random and eclectic grouping of automobiles.
about. God.
Ah, this one's still good.
You gotta keep going. Fire back up.
Still good.
Fire back up.
We're not done.
If it starts.
Come on, baby. Finish the car. There we go. Okay. Safety first. Uh-oh. Okay.
Don't feel it pop. The whole rear end's gonna drop.
Where's he at? You good?
You're good. I think they blew. Oh, diff broke. Oh! Oh!
Oh, we broke a U-joint. No.
Drive shaft broke.
Sorry about your drive shaft, James.
Yeah.
Oh, we did pop one, though.
Yeah, you got it. You
Oh,
got
good,
it.
good.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I just suck it off. Wow.
Perfect.
That might be my finest work ever. That might be my finest burnout ever, right there. I mean, it's one thing to pop the tires, but to also simultaneously pop the tires, waste the bedside, and break the drive shaft in half. Ah. We broke a few things, including the drive shaft. I left the fans on.
Yeah, we have far out this tire is back here.
Oh, wow.
I think you broke your, the axle.
Whoops. Yeah, she is shifted over a bit.
Your rear end's broken.
Wow. Rear end's kind of cockeyed just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah. Whoops.
Dude, look at the tire. James got his stunts in today prior to this. Oh, it's coming out. Hey, James, come look at this.
Maybe, you know,
Come
maybe.
check this out, James. See if we can pull it.
It's adjustable track width here.
Yeah, you don't have that?
That is custom, James.
have that?
Nice work. That's the key to
have that,
burnouts.
is that what he said?
I don't, dude. I don't have that, dude.
Couple more inches.
I feel like this is a solid plan, Cletus. You're all that's between that axle and that wheel and ejecting. Oh, it's ejecting. He's better than a ratchet strap. You got a ratchet strap? I need to employ one here.
How many times did your knuckles hit the turn signal?
Oh, every time.
That's a little tight.
The no power steering thing took some getting used to.
Well, it has power steering.
Oh, it just doesn't work at idle.
Yeah. After the first, it was fine when we bought the truck. Everything was good, and then I sent it one time, and these power steering pumps hate high RPM for a long period of time, and it just kills the pump down low.
Ah, all right.
So it really needs to be flushed and drained and new fluid, and hopes it comes back. But
Or you just leave it that way, and it really separates the men from the boys.
that too,
You know.
anti-theft built in.
Right. Someone will get in it and they'll be like, "I'm not stealing this truck.
Drive it
This
3
thing
feet,
sucks."
realize it's got no power steering, and then
Yes.
they'll leave.
You're the human ratchet
Can you
strap.
guys- well,
You got this. I love this. I break the truck. Cletus has to ride on the dolly to keep the axle and the wheels from falling off. Oh!
it's not coming out anymore. Just keep going. It will.
That is custom.
Push towards us.
You're good. I have a certain amount of guilt over this. But James did say drive it.
Like 100 pounds.
You got a dually on one side now. Weird. Setting trends.
Oh boy. Right now.
Oh, it's going, it's going, it's going.
Don't doubt my gear oil, that stuff's still good.
Need some swangers on this now. On your dually.
I gotta set a curve
Dude, it is hanging, I don't know what.
here. I can see it in my mirror.
There's nothing left of that axle hanging in there.
Finnegan, I think you owe James a nice breakfast or something.
Or a high five, something.
Yeah, that sounds right.
Can't even-
Start to come down that. Start coming down that road. Doesn't sound like they're coming the right road. Just get by them quick and get down there. Because they're going to be.
I wonder if that happened when you went over the grass.
Okay. Yeah.
Back onto
I know.
the.
I understand that. That's why I just wanted to.
That
make
put a
sure.
lot of.
Oh! Pushes. Yo! No, 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 no! Oh my goodness. Oh my god. That was the most incredible thing I've ever seen.
I really wish I was recording that.
Oh my
You could see
god.
his face. He was,
on the brakes.
straight fear face.
Oh,
Dude.
dude, throttled it at the perfect spot. What a G. That was sick. I thought it was going on inside.
How are those tires still in one piece? Oh my goodness. I can't see him.
Yeah, yeah.